Finding the right bag for your outfits can complete a look, and with summer just around the corner, I thought it would be a great time to look at 5 gorgeous luxury bags for the season, all coming in under $1,000 USD. Thank you 24S for sponsoring this video. 24S is an e-commerce site owned by LVMH that exclusively stocks Louis Vuitton and Celine, in addition to some of my favorite brands like Anine Bing, Paco Rabanne, and Bottega Veneta. They offer 2-day express shipping to your home, and they're currently having a Memorial Day sale where you can save up to 25% off full-priced items with code M20 or M25. While you're there, also check out their summer sale where you can save up to 50% off on brands like Loewe, Totem, Zimmermann, and Max Mara. I'll be sure to leave all the links and the codes down in the description box below for you to shop. Now, let me just show you this amazing bag that I picked up from 24S. I am so excited about this because I've actually had this on my wish list for a couple of years, and for some reason I just always held back, but it is here, and this is the Paco Rabanne 1969 bag, and I did decide to go for the duotone gold and silver just because I love mixed metals. And let me just say, this bag is absolutely stunning and even better in person, and I'm so glad that I picked it up. As of right now, this iconic bag comes in at $990, but after the discount, it's just under $750. When it comes to everyday bags, I prefer something that is easy to carry with a minimal and chic style that is never gonna go out of fashion. I don't look for trendy pieces, I really look for something that's comfortable to wear and kind of iconic. That is why I'm putting this Coach Luna bag on my list as affordable luxury bags. Coach is really making a comeback right now, and their styles are really beautiful, and their leather is also top-notch. This can be dressed up, dressed down, and worn in a variety of ways, and best of all, it comes in at $360 before the discount. Quiet luxury is everywhere right now, and yes, we can look at it as a trend because it is. However, what I love about quiet luxury is the emphasis on timeless pieces. Especially when you get to be in your 40s, you really want to invest in your wardrobe as opposed to just going trend after trend. This is why I am putting this APC small box bag in my list of top luxury bags. Coming in at $660 USD, this bag is chic and iconic and can really stand the test of time. It can be dressed up and dressed down with a pair of jeans, and it can look chic all year round. When it comes to work bags, I have to say that I like something that's durable, not too big, not too small, but something that's also chic and iconic. That is why I'm putting this Max Mara tote bag on my list. I love that it has a top handle, it's easy to carry, but it also looks great dressed up and dressed down. Coming in at $945 USD, this bag is definitely a steal when it comes to luxury bags. If you do like any of the mood boards that I created in this video, make sure you head on over to my blog, wostyle.com, where I will be posting them all for you to reference. For those quick 24-hour trips, it's really nice to have an oversized tote bag where you can put all of your essentials. Coming in at $800 USD, this Jerome Dreyfus bag comes with an internal pouch, which is really nice because it keeps you organized. While I love the idea of a canvas tote bag, a leather or a suede one is a really nice option because it really does elevate your looks, and it can take you from weekend wear to work wear as well. So there's a lot of versatility with a bag like this. It's time to style the statement bag, and we're going back to that Paco Rabanne 1969 bag that I unboxed earlier. I thought it would be great to show you how it can be styled different ways, from dressed up to dressed down. So let's get into the casual look. I'm wearing a knitted vest from W Concept, a pair of white trousers from Maison Margiela, and these ones are cotton so they can keep me cool in the summer months, and then a pair of neutral sandals from Hermes. Since the Paco Rabanne bag is quite small, I can just add a basket bag to my look, and that way I can go out and run errands without having to worry. By the way, Marvin and Theo were very hyper while I was filming this video, so you're going to see them running around a lot. The next look is an event look, and I wanted to focus on simple statement pieces such as this padded shoulder linen vest. This one has a little bit of gold threading throughout, which ties it back to the bag. The shorts are taffeta, so it kind of adds a little bit of nice texture. And then the heels just have that little steel cone heel. These ones are vintage Celine, and because they're silver, it does tie it back to the bag nicely. For a date night look, I decided to go for something very simple, something a little bit rock and roll chic inspired, with a little black t-shirt dress, a pair of Stuart Weitzman sandals, and then a leather jacket from Boda skins. The silver oversized buttons on this jacket really does help it tie it back to that bag. Just those little details brings the outfit together. It adds texture, visual interest, but lots of personality. This is a great look and it's a lot of fun too. I was recently at an event where it felt like ladies who lunch, and that's kind of what this outfit is inspired by. It's weekend brunch / ladies who lunch, and it's jeans, a Chanel-esque inspired jacket, and then a pair of loafers. This is kind of quiet luxury with an edge. This is my twist on it because I'm mixing metals, and it's slightly unconventional as well, but while still being traditional. This Paco Rabanne bag is the perfect wedding guest bag in my opinion. You can just fit your essentials in there, card holder, a lipstick, and it really does go with everything. Since I'm someone who prefers separates over dresses, I just paired this wedding guest look with a cotton skirt, a taffeta blouse that's slightly cropped, and then a pair of statement shoes from Isabel Marant. These ones are an older style, but I will be linking a similar pair down in the description box below. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you Marvin and Theo for making an appearance in this video and making it very entertaining for me to edit. And thank you 24S for sponsoring this video as well. I will be linking everything down in the description box below so you can shop these looks. Thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.